Once you're logged into your cPanel, what we're going to do is install WordPress. So you should see this section called Popular Links. And what I want you to do is click on this link that says Build a new WordPress site. And once you come to this page, just go to your drop-down menu and select the domain that you just registered and leave this blank and click Next. And once you come to this page, just type in a website name right here, and you can always change this later, so don't worry about what you type in. And then create a username. So I just typed in admin and then put in my first and last name and then put in your email address right here and check these two boxes. And then once you're ready, click on the install button. And now we can just wait for WordPress to install. And once the installation is complete, you should see this notification right here, and you should have some installation details right here. So if you want, you can save this information somewhere because you are going to need this to log into your WordPress dashboard. Or what you can do is go to your email inbox, and you should see this email from HostGator titled Install Complete, and it should have all of your login details right here. And what we're going to do in just a few seconds is go and log into our WordPress dashboard using the admin URL right here. So you also have the username and password right here. So just make sure that you have this email saved if you don't save your information on the installation page. Okay, so once you're ready, what we're going to do is go to the admin URL page. So I'm just going to click on this. And once you're on the login page, all you're going to do is type in your username and password and then just click login. And once you're logged in, this is your WordPress dashboard. And this is where you're going to go to create all of your different pages and posts and upload your media content and everything like that. So you're going to become very familiar with the WordPress dashboard as we go through this website tutorial. But before we actually do anything, what I want to do is just show you what the WordPress website looks like now that you installed WordPress. So I'm going to hover over my website name and click on Visit Site. And once the WordPress website loads, this is what you should see. So it should look very basic because it uses a default WordPress theme. And what we're going to do is go and install a custom theme and then customize our entire WordPress website. So if this is what you see, then we're good to go. And what I want to do is just hover over my website name on the upper left, and I want to go back to the WordPress dashboard. And once you're back on the WordPress dashboard, you should see this notification right here that says your website is displaying a coming soon page. So once you're ready to publish and launch your website, you want to click on this link right here to publish your website. And you can wait until the end of this video tutorial to do that, or you can just publish the website now because we are going to publish it at the end of this video. So just to get it out of the way, I'm going to click on the link right now to make the website live. And you can see right here that I have this notification that says my site is live. So now if anyone goes to visit my URL, they're going to be able to see my website. So if you clicked on that, then that's fine. If you want to wait until the end of the video tutorial to publish your website, you can do that also. I will remind you right at the end. Okay, so now we are done installing WordPress, and now we can move on to the next step.